Hey YouTube, I apologize for not uploading so much. I've been busy working 2 jobs. Shifting gears is still going on. It's still a big part of everything that we do. It's still a hobby of ours. I want to clear up one thing. There was a message that came to me about shifting gears, and that apparently some of us were wanting was money. No. We do videos with people, like the one that's uploaded, the one that we're in the process of editing, and getting some others out there daily. Speaking of Full Throttle, I'm still getting y'all's done. It's still in the editing process. Also need to get some more footage for it, so I can make it a little longer. But I'm back to the subject at hand. We don't ask for money from anybody. All of our shoots for video and photography are free. We do this as a hobby and a hobby only. There was some stuff going on about merch. I'm not pushing product to get out there to people. I've made me a hat. I made a few shirts, but I'm not pushing them on people. I'm not trying to push people to buy stuff. We have a meet that's coming up March 29th, and it's in Arlington. The address is 5005 South Cooper. It's in the parking lot of Beers and Brats and Artisan Vapors. It's a good sized parking lot to have a nice, decent meet. Again, like I said though, we're not pushing to get money from anybody. We solely do this as a hobby and a hobby only. Here's the flyer for the car meet. I have passed it out at the Full Throttle meet. I think I'm gonna go to a few others and go pass them out too. Work has got me so wrapped up that it's been hard for me to upload stuff. And of course, there were 3 video shoots that we were supposed to do so far that we haven't got to do because of weather, and I've had to reschedule. So to those 3, I apologize. Well, 2. The third one we were supposed to do, he actually contacted me and wanted to reschedule. So we'll definitely get that going. I believe I have some of it set up already. Hoping for better weather. Today's actually a nice day. It just seems like the weekends so far have been really crappy with rain and cold weather and, things like that. So, I promise you, we'll get stuff going faster and faster. We're looking for more fun meets to go to film to, events. I believe we're going to be at TSP. I believe we're going to be at IFO. This weekend we're looking to go to All Team Bash. So, I'm looking to fill the calendar this summer. The summer's going to be fun. I'm going to push to be anywhere and everywhere I can for any and every meet and event that we can get going. So, looking forward to seeing y'all out there. This one's a short video. I promise I'll start uploading more. I'm going to push to do daily vlogs to make it even better. I promise you this channel's not dying.